Everything's good. We took him back up Saturday. Started classes on Monday. Hold up, I'm sorry. But he's got Fridays off, so it's pretty cool.
You're the fourth person I've talked to today. When can I get my phone? Wednesday? But what about my ringtone? No, you don't understand. It's my anthem. My anthem! Yeah!
Call again.
Hello? Yeah. Ooh, that one's mine. I'll call you back.
Yo, what tone is that?
Only the greatest ringtone ever written. Hold on, I gotta take this. Hello? Yeah, it's yours for $500.
Hey, what's up? Package?
Not a fan of vibrate?
Crank that soul, now want me. Crank that soul, now want me.